Good afternoon. Welcome to Joe Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for July 9th to the 23rd. For July 9th to the 13th, we have here a trough that's forecast over the northwest, and we have another trough here that moves into the east, and we have a ridge here across the southern states or the southwest. And you can see right here, we go to the end of the period, we come to the 13th. You see what I'm talking about? A little bit of a trough here. Strong ridge developing here over the southwest. Now, during this period, we will have a series of Pacific systems that will move into the northwest, causing unsettled conditions. Heavy rain and thunderstorms will be likely across the northern states and to spread into the northwest. Here's one front. And another one moves in. Now, also the ridge in the west will cause triple-digit heat from the southwest and the south central plains, and hot and humid weather will also spread into the Midwest and the east. Above normal temperatures are forecast for the west, the plains, and much of the Mississippi Valley and Midwest into the mid-Atlantic and the Northeast. Expect anomalies of 8 degrees or more. And heavy rain event is expected across the southeast and the coastal mid-Atlantic to New England, associated with a possible coastal development, and we'll have above normal precipitation for this area. We're going to talk about that now. We're going to look at various models. Okay, we're going to look at this from Thursday. This is the 8th. This is the GFS. You can see we have a low here. We'll watch how that progresses. And that has it mostly inland, so probably won't be much of an effect. And then we look at the European ensembles. Also kind of brings it inland, keeps it fairly weak, 107 low. And then we'll look at the European, or is this the same map? That's a deterministic. This is the ensembles. Kind of has it more offshore along the coast, but still doesn't deepen it very significantly, maybe because it's so close to land. But the National Hurricane Center has been watching this area across the southeast where this develops. And then we look at the Canadian, keeps it more overland where it doesn't develop. And then we look at the UK Met, kind of has it offshore. So what this said, I think most of the heavy rain will remain offshore with this, but it still has to be watched, still a couple days away. Okay, we're going to look at the period for July 14th to the 18th. And the flow doesn't change very much. We still have our trough here, ridge across this region here, 594 DM ridge. So a little bit of a trough here across the northeast. So the model's a pretty good agreement with this. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting, that's the wrong map, forecasting below normal temperatures for the northwest, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal, and then we have above normal temperatures forecast for the remainder of the nation, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees or higher, in some spots up to 12 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this region here, and the probability of occurrence is up to 55%. Then we have above normal precipitation for this region here, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. Taking a look at the period for July 19th to 23rd, and this is the European, the GFS, and then the GFS ensembles all have a broad ridge cover much of the nation. It's kind of centered here. The highest heights would be here, 588. But then we look at the other models. They have a 594 ridge that slides or bills eastward, covering here. This is the European ensembles, and to some extent the NAEFS. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation, and I'm forecasting anomalies of up to 12 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 40%, and then below normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for July 9th to the 23rd. Thanks for coming to Jim Unley's World of Weather, and have a good day.